I'm Richard, owner of Kleen. We are applying for a job. We want to be your window cleaning company. With hundreds of satisfied residential and commercial customers, it's no wonder we are a 5-star rated company with reviews on Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau. Rain and street guarantee for residential customers. We'll spend more time cleaning your window tracks and screens than most companies spend cleaning all of your windows. Just look at the amount of dirt we remove from window tracks in a typical home. Window screens are carefully removed, washed, conditioned, and reinstalled. When we're finished, your screens will come out looking like new. Solar panels are cleaned using a safe but effective deionized water cleaning system. Blinds and plantation shutters are cleaned by hand with a simple 3-step process. First, we vacuum the entire blind. Then we wipe down each individual slat with a damp cloth containing a mild detergent and then buff it dry for a clean finish. This is the only safe method for cleaning wood blinds. We can pressure wash the exterior of your home or business, clean your driveways, walkways, and pool decks. When someone calls, the first thing they get is me, the owner. I'll go over pricing with you, explain our services, and answer any questions or concerns you may have. And if you're ready, I can schedule your appointment with a 1-hour window at that time as well. All employees are properly vetted, trained, and insured. They do great work. So give us a call today for a cleaner, brighter home or business. Window cleaning and a whole lot more since 2006. Thank you.